Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to print your document created on the office.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website and then you should select the template you would like to use, and after creating your document you should tap on this file button in the upper right corner of the screen and then tap on this print button on the left side column, and then you should tap on this print this document button, and as you can see you should tap on the open PDF button since the PDF file of your document has been created. Here you can find it and then tap on this button down below. Here you can find your document, tap on file at the top and click on print. So here you can find the layout. You should select your printer attached to it, attached to your device, select the number of copies you would like to make, select whether you would like to print out all of the documents, select the size of the paper, and if you are done with setting all of these information, just tap on the print button and then your document will be printed. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.